Students, in this video we are going to discuss about rules for determining the number of significant figure. In the video number 19 we already discussed 12 points. Now from here once again we are starting from the point number 1 called as point number 13. Now come to the point number 1. That means in the video number 19 we discuss up to 12 points. 12 points. This is video number 20. Now we are not starting from 13. Once again we are starting from point number 1. That means 13 is equal to 1. We have to imagine like this. So once again 1 to some we will be continue like this. So please mind the gap and follow properly. Now come to the point. Point number 1. Point number 1 means this is the 13th point in the video number 19 or point number 1 in the video number 20. Now go for the point. For a number greater than for a number greater than for a number greater than 1, for a number greater than 1 without any decimal, the trailing zeros, the trailing zeros are not significant. Not significant. Now what is the meaning for that one? Now go for example, then you can easy to understand and you can easy to digest. Suppose I took 2200, that means 2200. Now what is the significance figure? What is the significance? Its significance is 2. That means these two zeros have no significance. Suppose just I took 2. What is the 22 has a significance? The 22 has significance is 2. Similarly, here also 2200 also significance 2. Suppose I took 1. What is the significance? The significance is 1. I took 10. What is the significance? The significance is 10. Suppose I took 100. What is the significance? The significance is 1. Here also the significance 1. Suppose I took 1000. Now what is the significance? The significance is 1. From this one what we understood? We understood that for any number greater than 1 which is equal or greater than the 1 without any decimal, it has no any decimal. The trailing zeros, these are trailing zeros are not significant. So the trailing zeros are not significant. These are the examples support this point. I hope you understood what is the point number 1. Now go for the point number 2. Now point number 2. For a number with a decimal, for a number with a decimal, the trailing zeros The trailing zeros the trailing zeros the trailing zeros are significant. Are significant. Now, I would like to give some example for this one. Example 22.0. Now tell me, what is its significance? Its significance is 3. Suppose I took 22.00. Now, what is its significance? Its significance is 4. Now, 1.0. Now, what is the significance? The significance is 2. 1.00. Now, what is the significance? The significance is 3. From this one, what we understood? If suppose only 2200 has significance 2, whereas in case of 22.00, the significance is 4. Only 10 has significance 1, whereas 1.0 has significance 2. That means that without decimal, the 0 has no significance. The 0 has no significance. But with decimal, the 0 also acquired the significance. So that is the main point. Now go for this one. For a number with a decimal, the trailing zeros are significant. This is the point. Now we are going to discuss, I think once again I am repeating, for a number, for any number with a decimal. Here there is a decimal with the trailing zeros. These are we called as trailing zeros or significant. Okay, now these are the examples for that one. Now we are going to discuss point number 3. Now go for point number 3. That is it. The digit 0. The digit 0. Put on the left of the decimal. Put on the left of a decimal. For a number less than 1. Less than 1 is never significant. Is never significant. Is never significant. What is meaning for that one? Now go for the discussion. First I would like to give some example for this one. Example. Then you can easy to understand. 0.125. Now tell me, what is the significant figure? The significant figure is 3. Now I would like to once again explain this point. The digit 0 put on the left side of the decimal. This is the decimal. This is the left side of the decimal. For any number which is less than 1, the whole number is less than 1, is never a significant. That means this 0 has no significant. As a result, the total number significant figure is 3 only. Now I would like to give another point. So 0.01. So what is the significant? The significant is how much? Now here, if I take point number 1, what is the significant? 1. Now, suppose I took 0.01. Now, what is its significant? Its significant is also, its significance also 1. The reason is point number 1, it is less than 1. Point number 2, this 0 which is left of the decimal, so no significant. We already studied this point. That means if a 0 which is after the exactly decimal, it has no significance. So the finally we have only one number. So its significance is 1. Once again I would like to give another number, that is 0.7. 0.7. Now, what is its significance? Its significance is 1 because the 0 has no significance. This is the example. This example supports this point. Once again, I am repeating this point. The digit 0 put on the left of the decimal point for a number which is always less than the 1 is never significant. This is the meaning. Now we are going to discuss about point number 4. Now point number 4. The digit 0. The digit 0 the digit 0 put on the right of the end of a number of a decimal for a number less than 1. For a number less than 1. Or significant. In measurement. In measurement. Now, what is the meaning for this one? To make understand this one, first I would like to give some example. I took a number 0.1250. Now, its significance is 4. Now, I took another number 0.01250. Its significance is also 4. Keep this one in bracket. Now, come to the point. Suppose the digit 0 put on the right side of the end of the number. That means now I took a 0, I kept this one right side the end of the number of a decimal for a number which is less than the 1. The whole number is less than the 1 or significant in measurement. That means now I took a number which is less than 1, 0.1250. It is less than 1. In this number, here there is a decimal. The number has been ended at 5. After that I kept a 0. Now we have to consider the 0 also significant. As a result, the total number is significant. Therefore, the total number significant is 4. Okay. Now, I would like to take another number to make you understand. Suppose I take 0.01250. But we know that this 0 has significant according to this point, according to that point. So, 5, 2, 1. These 4 are the significant. But point here, these 2 has no significance. As a result, this number also significance 4. Now I would like to tell another point 0.10. Tell me what is the significance? Its significance is equal to, now tell me 0.100. What is the significance? Its significance is 3. So that means take a digit, the digit zeros put on the right side end of the number of a decimal. For a number which is always less than the 1, then these two zeros are already significance. Therefore, 0.10 significant to 0.110 significant 3. Now we are going to discuss point number 5. Now we are going to discuss point number 5. The multiplying or dividing the multiplying or dividing factors dividing factors are neither rounded number rounded numbers rounded numbers nor numbers representing measured values are exact and have infinity number infinity number of significant digit significant digits Once again I am repeating this point, my dear students. The multiplying or dividing factors are neither rounded numbers nor numbers representing measured values or exact and have infinity numbers of significant digits. So what is meaning for that one? First I would like to give some example. Then it is easy to understand. Example. I took a number s is equal to 2 pi r, that is circumference of the circle. Now here pi is equal, what is the pi value? 3.14 and so on. Now tell me, what is the significance of this pi? The significance is infinity significance. That means infinity infinity significant, infinity significant number. Once again I am repeating, my dear students. Suppose I took a number s is equal to pi r, where pi is equal to 3.14. That means it has infinity significant number. That means I would like to give here pi has the infinity value 3.1414 and so on like that. So this number I multiplied with s. Therefore s is equal to 2 into pi value this one and into r. So obviously the whole result of s also gives a infinity number. As a result, its significance also infinity. So this example supports that point. Now go take one step backward. That is, the multiplying or dividing factors are neither rounded number nor numbers representing measured values, are exact and have infinity numbers of significant. That means we can take either multiply or division factors, neither numbers nor numbers representing the measured values are exact and have infinity number of significant. That means it has infinity significant number. Now this is the about point number 5. Now go for, I think you understood point number 5. Now we are going to discuss point number 6. Now point number 6. Here suppose I took a number that is equal 2.99 and so on into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. If suppose I have to take, or we have to take this one as 3 into 3.00 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So its significance is how much? The total number, whatever we have, that much. Okay, so here we have to take 3. Suppose here also the significant we have to take as 3. But if I can take 3 into 10 to the power of 8 without decimal meter per second, then its significance is 1. Okay, suppose I can take 3.0 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. In this case, what is the significance? Its significance is 2. The reason is after 3 only 1 0 is there and here already 3. Therefore it has a significance 2. We never consider 0 0 0 all this one because this is already in the factor of 10 to the power of 8. Okay, now suppose I took 3.00 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, then its significance is equal to how much? Exactly 3. Suppose I want to take 3.00 into 3.00 into any number, 3.00 into, so what is significance? Its significance is 3. So these are the points we have to remember. Into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. In this case, its significance is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means here is 4. That means if after digit numbers are there, then its significance becomes 4. If after this one there is no numbers, then the significance is 1. This is also one of the important point. I think you understood the 5 point whatever, the 6 points whatever we taught in this video. However, thank you very much for watching this video. We can go for another video number 21. However, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.